Hello, this is Online Queues, YouTube channel for your online queries. In this video, I will show you how to create a Twitter list and follow Twitter lists created by others. A list is a curated selection of Twitter accounts. Social media users can either create their own lists or subscribe to those created by other people. Open Twitter, then tap on your profile picture at the top. Select Lists from the drop-down menu. You can see the lists created by others. You can tap Show More to see the full list. Tap on Follow to subscribe to the lists you like. If you want to create your own Twitter list, then tap on List again and then tap on plus icon to create your own list. Add a picture, add a name and then add description. Set your list as public. Now search for accounts that you want to add in your Twitter list. Add as much accounts you want to in your list. This is how you can follow Twitter lists created by others and create your own. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.